Hello and welcome to everybody. In this introductory video, I will be show you what is the importance of Vedic maths. Today, our global concern is related maths that people are scared from the maths, right? So, I want to show you what is the importance of this Vedic maths and how it can be improve your memory power as well as your logic power by doing these techniques. So I want to introduce about Vedic maths. So I want to ask one question to all of my audience. How many of you love really maths? How many of you really enjoy while you are doing the maths? Just comment love maths and give your opinion if you are really love the maths. I was practicing a mathematician for the last 10 years and I look into something called Vedic maths. Vedic maths is a very most important technique and most useful technique in order to do the quick analysis, quick calculations, and there are many techniques are available in the Vedic maths, and we will go through all the techniques one by one by handwritten notes. So here you can see these are my handwritings, and by using these handwritten notes I will be teach you Vedic maths. Vedic maths comes through the Vedas and it apparently the world fastest mental system through the Vedas. Through the Vedas, one can calculate really fast when compared to the traditional system. So if I just give you some kind of theoretical background, so you won't really believe in these concepts, right? So let we have some practical examples. So we will go for the example number 1. I want to multiply 32 times 11. Okay. So what is the technique? Any number you are multiply with 11. What is the technique? You have to separate that number. What is the number? Number is 32. So let me separate 32. So 32 can be separated by 3 and 2. Okay. So 32 can be separated by the 3 and 2. Now what you can do? So 3 can be written at here, 2 can be written at here. What is the addition of 3 and 2? That is 5. So I can write the 5 at here. Okay. So this is my answer. 352. Very simple. Right. Let me show you one more example. Let's say 16 times 11. So what I will be do? I will be separate 1. I will be separate 6. And what is the addition of 1 plus 6? That is 7. So this is my answer. 176. Cool, right? Similarly, let's say 18 times 11. Okay. So what I will be do? I will be separate 18. So 1 can be separate here. 8 can be separate here. What is the addition of 1 plus 8? That is 9. So my answer will be 198. Right? This is very simple. Now, after doing the tricks of multiply, let me do some squaring tricks. Okay, and this is a just introductory video. In the further lectures, I will be show you these techniques in very detail. So in the squaring, let's say I want to do the squaring of 35 times 35. So what we can do? 35 times 35. So what comes after 3? So here first letter is 3. Okay. So what comes after 3? After 3 it will become 4. Right. So what I can write? 3 multiplied by 4. And last term is 5. So let me do the square of 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 5 times 5 is 25. So my answer will be 1, 2, 2, 5. Okay. let we have some more example. 85. What comes after 8? Okay, what comes after 8? It will be comes as a 9. So I will be multiply here 3 multiply by 4 because my initial number is 3, final number is 4. That is initial number is 3, final number is 4. So 3 times 4 and 5 times 5, that is 25. Right? So here my initial number is 8, final number is 9. So 8 times 9 and last is 5. So that is 25. So my answer will be 8 9s are 72. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So my answer will be 7 2 2 5. Right? Very very simple. Now let me do some multiplication, because as you are aware about 1 to 20 table, but still how this values comes 8 times 9, then let we see. So let me do 8 times 9. Now 8 and 9 both numbers are near to the 10. So here we will take the base as a 10. Okay. So 8 is below. 8 is below by how much? 8 is below by minus 2. So here what I can do? I can write 8. I can write 9. I can make a one line. 8 is below by 10 by minus 2. 9 is below by 10 by minus 1. Now let us, we will do the cross value addition or subtraction. So what is the cross value? 8 minus 1. Here cross is what? This is my cross. This and this. Okay. So this is my cross. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. So here I can write 7. Okay. Right. Here I can write the 7. Or if you do 9 minus 2, that is also 7. Okay. So any one of the way that you can prefer. Either this multiplication or you can go for this multiplication or addition subtraction. Right. And you have to do the multiplication of column number 2. Minus 2 times minus 1, that is 2. So my answer will be 72. Right. So let us, we will do one more example so that it will be also have a clear, and you can do the practice of all these numbers by yourself as well. Right. So let us say 8 times 7. So here also I am taking the base as a 10 because both the values are nearby the 10. Okay. So 8 7 I am writing so 8 7 I am writing one line. 8 is below by the 10, how much? Minus 3. 7 is below by the 10, sorry, minus 2. 7 is below by the 10 by minus 3. So 8 minus 3, that is 5, or 7 minus 2, that is also 5, and 2 3s are 6. So my answer will be 56. Okay, very very simple. Got it? Let's say 9 times 6. So what I can do? I can write 9. I can write 6. 9 is below by the 10 by minus 1, and 6 is below by the 10 by minus 4. So 9 minus 4, that is 5, or 6 minus 1, that is also 5. Minus 1 times minus 4. Here you have to also consider the sign. So minus 1 times minus 4, that is 4. So my answer will be 54. Okay, very very simple. Now let us, we will do one more example. Here my number is 2 digit. Here my number is 1 digit. So if your number is 1 digit, you can take the base as a 10. Here number is 2 digit. So here I can take the base as a 100. So here you can see I have I can select this, and then here I can write base is 100. Okay. Here my base is 100. Right. Here we are writing 0 2, that I will come to this point. Okay. So 98 times 97. So simple. 98. Okay. So 98. So 98 is below by the 100 by how much? That is minus 0 2. Why 02? Because we have to write in 2 digit. And 97 is below by 100 by how much? 3. So here I can write 03. So 98 minus 03, that is 95, or 97 minus 02, that is also 95. And I will do the multiplication of this column number 2. 02 times 03, that is 06. Okay, here you have to write in 2 digit because we have the taken the base as a 2 digit or 2 zeros. Here we have taken the 1 0, and here we have taken the 2 0, right? Okay, got it? So what we can do? So our answer will be 9506. Okay, so this is one note that we have to consider. Whenever you are taking the base, you can write 2, 3, 5 like that. If you are taking the base 100, you have to write 02, 03, 04 like that. And if you are taking the base 1000, then you have to write 002. 1000 means 3 zeros, right? So you have to write your answer by 3 zeros. 10,000 means 4 zeros, so you have to write your answer by 4 digit, or 1, 2, 3 zeros, and second one is the answer. Let's say 10,000 minus 9998, that is 0022. So this is just an introductory video of what is the Vedic maths and how it can quickly help you or your kids, okay, improve your logic power. So stay tuned to the next videos.